arepas. Kind of make a turmeric tea and then use that for the arepas. So now we're just gonna grill them. You can fry these too, and they're crazy. They're great either way. What I love is, this is essentially, like arepas is grits. It's the same thing. Or like a tortilla, it's all the same thing. We all eat the same stuff. Okay, so we'll let those go. I got my tuna already diced here. Look how beautiful that is. So dope. So pretty, I love it. Really easy. You can use any kind of fish. You can use like red snapper or any kind of like fish that you might want to eat for sushi, or just something fresh, obviously, right? Something fresh. So here I grated some raw ginger. So I'm gonna put that in there. Like I said, I would usually use about the same amount of fresh garlic, but right now we'll use some dried. This is a little lemon zest. Lemon zest. I've got some chopped jalapenos. Remember we put habanero in the other sauce, so just be mindful of that. I like spice, so that's just me. And then this is the charred pineapple. Green scallions, cilantro, fire roasted tomato, 2 habaneros. You can use Scotch bonnet or something that you like, spicy wherever you're from or wherever you're at. Just something to give it some heat. I'll put 2 limes in there. It could be lemon too. It's so easy though, and the thing is, ají is one of those things that like, because everybody makes it. You're in Colombia, so everybody's got their own. So there's really no wrong answer, even though mine is bomb. So I've got dried garlic, but you should use fresh garlic if you have it or if you can get it, or after this whole mess ends. That's what you want to use. All right, we've got some salt. It should be like 6 garlic cloves, but like I said, quarantine, water. Scallions. I just took pineapple. You can literally take any fruit. Just stick it on top of your stove if you have like a baking sheet or something. You can use that to put it on top of your like grate. Oh no, they're not done yet. So let them get some marks. I don't put any oil or any butter down on the pan or on the grill because you don't have to if you really want to get the mark and you don't want to change the color of the arepa.